Ballet Reverence and Curtsey and Bow, Cecchetti Ballet Grade 2 syllabus course. 1. Step on right foot in second position, open arms demi-second. Count 2, place left foot in derriere in a short tendu on the ball of the foot. Count 3, curtsy and straighten. Count 4, hold. Count 5 to 8, repeat to the other side, closing in first with arms in fifth en basse on the final count. Bow combination. On count 1, step to the right. Count 2, close in first. Count 3, bow the head. Count 4, lift the head. Count 5 to 8, repeat all to the other side. Much love, Jacklyn Dougherty and Dr. Joni Dougherty.